wickedest thing a man ever do you?
He left me to be with my sister.
Wait, what?
He left me to be with my sister. Why the list long?
Tell me that the child I'm having is not his.
Wow.
Thief my money and then lie about it. Till when me call the bank, he sit down beside me and tell me, say, Anna, so you go.
Cheat on me with a phone with me by him.
And then the bank say, I'm going to do investigation. And then he say, yeah, it was me.
Wow. Hope you poison him.
Exist.
Exist?
Exist.
Oh, what the wickedest thing a girl ever do you?
He told me to talk to my cat when I wanted to vent to him. So it was kind of like, like I want to vent to you, but you're going to tell me to talk to my cat. Trying to trap me into a marriage with no substance.
Little parrot dog. I thought the wickedest thing a man ever do you?
I was monitored at one point, and a lie was told on me that, there was a scene where I really go lift up and like this girl in the class and lift her up and care up like she's like a god. And she said, my hand did grip her on her body jaw. But what happened was she was very heavy. So when she did a slip, my hand just goes off to catch her up. And it just so happened to be at that area. And I saw me end up going to lose my monitor position at the school, and that was that.
I had access to a friend's Facebook, and I could see on that Facebook that that person was speaking to the guy I liked. And the guy I liked said I was annoying.
Fourth wife, lure herself up with an RPG.
What that?
Fourth wife, lure herself up with an RPG.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very, very, drink a lot of vodka that night.
All right, my brother. Big up yourself.